Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 76, 77, 112th Avenue Northwest, Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our pre-owned units. This is a 2017 RX 350 F Sport Series 3 in the obsidian black finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak comes with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. Some of the features on this vehicle include L-shaped premium LED headlamps with the auto leveling headlamp system, F-Sport front grille, LED daytime running lights, LED fog lamps, front to rear park assist sensors, headlamp washers, blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, keyless entry with push start ignition, driver's seat memory seating, power folding and auto dimming side mirrors, power adjustable front seats, automatic high beams, power rear liftgate, heads-up display, heated steering wheel, panoramic view monitor, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, hands-free audio controls, hands-free calling, lane keeping assist with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control with pre-collision system, 12.3-inch multimedia display with navigation, Bluetooth, and backup camera, 15-speaker Mark Levinson premium audio system, dual zone climate control, wireless smartphone charging, heated and ventilated front seats, electronic parking brake, drive mode select with Sport Plus, which includes the adaptive variable suspension, central locking differential, panoramic sunroof, power rear folding seats, black interior, heated rear seats, and of course comes with the built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more about this vehicle, please visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or call us to schedule a test drive at 403-296-9600.